I've just had to get my own vehicle in the workshop today, this 2018 Ford Transit. I've got a little bit of an issue. The screen washers are not working, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a rat related issue. We've had quite a few trouble with some rats at home, and now when you operate the washers, I can just see the washer fluid just running out on this bottom corner there, which is where the washer bottle tank is and the pump down there. So I had a quick look the other week, and I did see a few drop-ins around the top of the under the bonnet here, and there was a few on the chassis rail there. I've just had to put some poison blocks in there just to try and do something about it. But I didn't take the headlight out. I've just got the headlight out now, and just with the headlight out you can just see, just looking there, all this in the bottom there. I couldn't quite see that the other day. It looks like it's been sort of nesting in this area there, and the washer pipe just comes up through there and just to the underneath bit that's just there, right where it's been nesting. So just going to have a bit of a clear out now and just have a look and see what damage it's done. Hopefully it's something we can get away with. As you can see, there's quite a lot of soundproofing that's had to chuck out there. It's a bit of a shame really. It's nice to obviously have all that on there originally, but it's chewed loads of it up. And then where it's all been set or mulched up in the bottom, where it's been covered in washer fluid as well. And just see the pipe where it's been chewed through there, just the other end of it there. But actually, it looks like I've been quite lucky, to be honest. This pipe situates right over the top of all this wiring. And it doesn't, I've had a good look around, it doesn't look like it's actually chewed any of the wiring anywhere, which is, to be fair, just chewing through that is probably going to be a lot easier to repair than all the wiring. So hopefully, just this little joiner, just got one of these straight joiners, just going to see if I can loop that into the pipe now, and that should just repair it nicely. So let's just have a quick go at that. Let's just see, little joiner just slotted in quite nicely there. Nice easy repair. It's always handy to have a few of these joiners, but at that I haven't had to lengthen the pipe or anything. But yeah, I think I've been fairly lucky really that it hasn't damaged any wiring. It's a shame that some of the soundproofing's gone, but I can't really do a lot about that now other than get some new bits if I want to do. But just for now, I'm going to leave it for a little while and just make sure the rat's definitely gone. And just see, I've got the rat blocks just down there. I've just attached them with this bit of wire. It's just if you leave them loose, the rats will tend to grab them and pull them away. So, but the washers actually stopped working about a week ago. I've had the blocks on there and they don't look like they've been freshly nibbled, so I'm hoping I've got to the bottom of it. But yeah, we'll just crack on, get the headlight back in, get the bonnet down. We'll just test the washers and make sure they're all working again. Right, so we're all back together now. Let's just give it a quick go, just make sure it's working. That's it, spot on. Nice easy fix today. Now, I just thought I'd put that video together quickly. If you have seen rats around your vehicle, it's definitely worth trying to get on top of it early and just make sure, keep having a good look and just make sure if they have been anywhere and try and sort the issue out really quickly. It's just, I've been really lucky with that today. Now, I've seen a lot worse rat damage. For it to just go through that screen washer pipe was a really nice, easy fix. But if rats do get in your engine bay, or even worse, inside your vehicle, they can cause some right nightmare problems. I mean, obviously, that where there was today was quite easy to access and on show, but if they chew through wiring, it can turn into a right nightmare. Obviously, all the wiring is exposed, making it liable for corrosion. And if it gets in somewhere that you can't access very easily, obviously it'd be even worse as well. So it's definitely worth trying to get on top of this situation quickly if you have seen any rats about. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.